is 4 rounds under middleweight category presented to us by Hardstone Monies Boxing Promotions. This bout is sanctioned by the Games and Amusement Board Chairman Attorney Francisco Rivera, Commissioners Angel Bautista and Manuel S. Plaza III, and Chief of Pro Boxing and Other Contact Sports, Mr. Rodil Madaog. The 3 judges at ringside scoring this contest in the 10-point must system will be Eduardo Nobleza, Alfie Hocoso, and Danilo Lopez. And when the bell rings, your man in charge of the action, ladies and gentlemen, referee Elmer Costillas. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner wearing black with white, official weight 168 pounds. He has a veteran professional record consisting of 10 victories, 18 defeats, with 5 of his big victories coming by way of knockout. Proudly representing Asintado Boxing Gym, all the way from Zamboanga del Norte. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the veteran, Boys Sultan. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing blue with white. Official weight, 169 pounds. Professional record, 2 victories with only 1 defeat. He is proudly representing Team Ariosa Boxing Stable, Calbayog City, and representing Glenford Fitness Boxing Gym from the Philippine National Team. Ladies and gentlemen, Wendell Douglas. Once again, to give instructions, here's referee Elmer Costillas.
Okay, we are heading to our next bout. Wendell Dagle, with a record of 2-1-0 against Boy Sultan from Asintado Boxing Gym in Zamboanga del Norte. These 2 boxers will be fighting in a middleweight division, 160. Expect heavy leather dito sa laban na to. 4 rounds. Yung Dagle, yung nakapula, yung Sultan nakaitim. Middleweight tayo, middleweight. It's a rarity to see middleweight boxers, especially yung mga Pinoy. We'll see. As early as now, Dagle is trying to establish his left jab. Pero nagpakawala na yung Sultan ng nagpatikim na nga ng malalakas na suntok din. Itong Boy Sultan, medyo veterano rin to. At marami na rin itong mga experience fighting locally and abroad. Overhand by Sultan. Oh, nice combination by Dagle to start this festivity on round number 1. Ang ganda ng kombinasyon ng batang to. Basic fluidity and fundamental na nasa kanya. Yung mga suot nilang mga trunks, talaga mga OG trunks yan talaga. Yan talaga yung suot ng mga 80s, 90s. Nice body combination by Dagle. As early as now. Oh, yung Sultan, ang lakas ng kanan. Oh, that body by Sultan also. Hindi rin biro-biro kalaban tong Sultan. Boss, may mga dinamita rin sa sa mga kamao nito. So it's gonna be a good test for Dagle. Oh, yun, tinatanong lang nung kung may protected gear ba yung Sultan. So I think meron naman. That 1-2 combination by Dagle again did connect over Boy Sultan. Oh. Medyo bawal yung iikot ka kasi medyo delicates din yung mga ganong moves. Medyo nag-aalangan din yung Dagle dahil alam nila may power din tong Sultan na to. Kung di ako nagkakamali, itong Sultan na to, lumaban din to kay Marvin Sonsona eh. End of round number 1.
End of round number 1.
Thank you. Si Giovanni Alon po may dalawang laban pa bago yung laban po niya. So abang-abang lang po kayo doon sa naghihintay sa sa laban ni Giovanni Alon. At saka sabi ni Rocky Dangle, siguro kamag-anak to ni Wendell na he's trying to cheer up Wendell on this fight. We're going round number 2 of this middleweight attraction dito sa paboxing given to us by Hardstone Moniz Promotion in cooperation with Box Glove Sports and Entertainment. Ito po yung Malaysian firm na tumulong para maging posible itong promotion na ito.
Round number 2.
Medyo may konting lal lang po, medyo yung sapatos ni Sultan medyo bumuka at kailangan tapan. Okay, we go round number 2. Number 2.
Second round.
I expect heavy artillery for this fight. Kasi pag mga middleweight, talagang one punch could change or one punch could end a fight. So tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Oh, malakas yung overhand ng but nice body combination by Dangle. Ayun na, pinipressure na ni Sultan. Ganyan kasi yung mga veterano. They know kung kailan yung oras para pumasok na. So, alam ko parang batang-bata pa tong Dangle. Oh, nice combination by Dangle. Jab, overhand, miss by Sultan. Kinakamusta ko mga kaibigan ko dyan sa Cebu. Magkikita tayo sa Mayo 9 para sa isang malaking festivity na boxing dyan na given to us by Chowsi Boxing Promotion. It's an IBF World Title Eliminator para sa minimum weight sa May 9. Abangan nyo po ako dyan sa May 9 for that event. So far, medyo the less activities itong round number 2. Hindi kagaya nung round number 1, medyo talagang umatikabo yung mga suntok right now. Hindi natin alam kung nagpe-pacing or what or paano diskarte ng dalawang boksingerong to. Overhand, miss by Sultan. Kanina niya pa sinusubukan yung overhand, medyo hindi effective. So, tingnan natin. Short yung hook ng Sultan. 10 seconds left on round number 2. Medyo walang masyadong action sa round number 2. We'll see. Sana mag-accelerate ang laban ng round number 3.
End of the second round.
Kamusta? Thank you very much for watching. Sa mga nanonood po at hopefully nasisiyahan kayo at na-entertain kayo dito sa paboxing ng Hearthstone Monies promotion. Kasama ang Box Club Sports Entertainment. Ngayon po ay nandito na tayo sa isang laban, Wendell Dagle against Boy Sultan. They are fighting in a middleweight division. So round 3 na po tayo. Kasi prospect pala tong Wendell Dagle and galing rin pala to sa Philippine team. So he is now trying his thing dito naman sa professional level. So round number 3 na tayo. We'll see if this there will be some more actions on round number 3. Magbibigayan na ba ng mga malalakas na suntok? So we'll see. Nice combination by Dagle. Sultan is trying to bait Dagle to go inside para maibato niya yung mga hooks niya. Pero I think hindi sumusugal yung Dagle. He's trying to do his thing. I think he must try to establish his jab and not wait around. That left connected by Dagle. Body combination. Sabi ni Sultan, kaya niya. Kaya niya yung suntok ng Dagle. Nasa round 3 na po tayo nitong middleweight affair between Wendell Dagle and Boy Sultan. I think si Boy Sultan is a late replacement also kasi parang naka-injured yata yung original na kalaban ni Dagle. And si Boy, alam ko, galing pa yan sa Zamboanga del Norte. O yun na, nakapagbigayan ng heavy punches. Grabe din yung evolution ng Philippine boxing scene natin ngayon kasi may mga malalaking boxer na tayo who represent us on international level. Like John Mindoro, yan mga the likes of John Mindoro ang mga nagbukas sa atin para sa mga malalaking weight category on international scene. And hopefully, marami pa po sanang mga malalaking boxer who could penetrate in international scene. 20 seconds left on round number 3. Nice combination by Dagle. End of round. Ano ang sa tingin ninyo? Sino ang lamang? Kayo ba ay Team Sultan o Team Dagle? So, i-comment nyo para you will be well represented dito sa laban na to. We are heading to the final round. 4 na round lang to. Sa tingin ko, this final round, medyo magiging mas matikabo ang suntukan dito. Tingnan natin. Yes, alam natin. I think he represents sa amateur scene. Alam ko, represents niya. So, salamat sa mga comment nyo. Salamat. Nababasa ko lahat kaya lang hindi kasi tumututok din ako sa laban and I'm doing the commentary by myself. So, pasensya na kayo sa mga ibang comments at hindi ko nababasa. Pero later on, babasahin ko yan for my round number 4 na po tayo. Dangle is trying to establish his right jab. Kaliwete pala tong Dangle. That left. Oh, sabi, kung nasaktan ka ba? Hindi. So, we'll see. Last and final round. Sana alam ng dalawang boksingero to. Oh, that overhand. Oh, that body. Connect for Sultan. Nakikita mo talaga yung amateur background ng Dangle, no? Yung jab straight, mabilis, maraming puntusan. Typically, yan po yung mga amateur na style. Kasi sa amateur pa kailangan magpad ka ng score eh. So the more punches na pumasok, the more mananalo ka sa amateur. Sa pro naman it's a different thing kasi power is also a great thing dito sa pro ng boxing. But anyway, it's very entertaining fight. Tumama yung Dangle ng dalawang magandang kaliwa. But alam natin na veterano talaga yung Sultan. He could take a punch and galing siya sa breed of boxers, of family boxers also. Sultan is a synonymous name sa hindi lang sa Philippine boxing but the whole boxing itself. So we are barely 45 minutes left on the final round of this middleweight affair between Wendell Dangle and Boys Sultan. Sino kaya ang nakikita nyong lumalamang sa laban na to? ...20 seconds left. Oh, that left to the body. Did connect for Dangle. Medyo nag-showboating konti yung Boy Sultan sa corner. 10 seconds left. End of the fight. Pang-anim na po. Pang-anim na laban na po natin to. Meron tayong 11 laban for today. So, palapit na po tayo sa mga ating mga supporting bout. After this, yung Sherwin Lombres na po. At saka Romnick Ramil. There will be battling in a catch weight of 136. Thank you for your good message to me. Maraming salamat po. And again, I am Alvin Esco of Real Fight PH. Pag may oras po kayo, kindly like and share. Kindly like and follow Real Fight PH po. Para po masustain din namin yung mga ginagawa namin doon. Thank you. And also like and follow Elorde TV also. And this is the official decision.
Scorecards. All judges, Eduardo Nobleza, Alfie Hocoso, and Danilo Lopez, all has it 40-36 for your winner by unanimous decision. From Ormoc Leyte, Wendell Dangle.
Wendell Dangle winning by unanimous decision over a very game Boys Sultan.